Hello, everyone, again. Today is day two or day three, whichever way you look at it, of our Sedona trip. We are in this town, Verde, I guess, or Cottonwood, if I'm not mistaken. And what they have is the Verde Canyon Railroad tour that begins from here. So this town is approximately 35 to 40 minutes of a drive. You park here, um, and the way this works is it's a train which we'll walk up to, and it's approximately 4 hours of a train ride going through 20 miles of the canyon within it. So it's supposed to be very scenic. I've been told it's more scenic than the Grand Canyon. They have a few trips um, during the day, not too many because it takes 4 hours each. And then they have the Christmas kind of package too during the holidays, which you pay for a little more. It's close to, I would say, 100 plus with taxes um, for each person. And that's the check-in area as well as the gift shop and the restaurant that you can buy food and come and sit outside because, like I said, that's a 4 hour trip, right? And you can buy your drinks here. Um, they have a museum there, which we'll quickly go and check out as well. But you can see the different Arizona towns, Scottsdale, Yuma. So you have a train car for each. From what I've been told, they're all first class seats. So that should be a decent experience. And then as the train is going through, uh, I'm hopeful that we'll get a chance to come in this open car. And then there are seats in there that you can sit outside and enjoy the view as well. So let's quickly go and check out that center inside and then the gift shop as well as the museum. Some of this decor that they have, it seems like, this is frozen in time from over 100 years ago, which is kind of neat because I personally do like that kind of style and, the ambiance and the decor that way. Yeah, this is where you check in and you get your train boarding pass. And this is obviously the gift shop, and that's the line to get some food before boarding the train. From what I've been told, you get some finger foods on board, but I'm not sure. So that's the menu. It's pretty much burgers, fries, and things like that. So apparently they do have a few more of these open cars. There's one here, one up in the front, and there's one in the back that we saw. And they have and this is the bathroom section. And again, like, it seems like it's all frozen in time. You get more of that feeling when you go in this museum that they have, and it's kind of pretty neat. Where let's go in and check it out. So I think this is the train right now, but then this is an old telegraph post. And I think these were the nails used to keep those wooden posts between tracks in place.
Umbrellas and all that. There. You just sit there. Whatever.
It's an original bell that they used to have, very heavy in size. Big in size, very heavy in weight, rather. What do you know? The Wall Street Journal dates back in time. used to make railroad tracks from those days. $18.79. It's turned out to be a very decent day for this time of the year. It's not nippy like it was yesterday, and I'm really hopeful that this is a very good ride. We'll film more when the train begins. Hello. Good, over you. My tickets are right here.
1A, 1B, that's the very last table on the right hand side.
Oh, very nice. This is a very impressive looking card. And they do give you a little bit of finger foods and water, and then there is a menu. And like I said, all the seats in this train are first class. So this should be a good experience and more decorated for Christmas. And what they give you is a little bit dessert, fruit, some of the meats. I think this is honey mustard, crackers, and different types of cheeses. And I think that's turkey, pastrami. So it's all great.
I have this bean bag.
Champagne?
Can anybody guess
Champagne?
why I have
Sure.
bean bags on the
Why not?
outside car? Any guesses?
You.
To throw people? Not to throw at people. Close. Any other guesses?
Throw out so you know where
Let's know this one.
What did you say?
you throw it out so you know where they're at.
You're not allowed
Pretty
to
good
bring
guess.
food
I've ever gotten. We throw
from
these
outside,
if you drop something off
and
the
you
train.
can only
A lot of people are taking pictures
bring
like
the
this.
food that's sold in the cafeteria here.
Let me know right away on the outdoor car, and I'll toss this over. The track crew will come by afterwards, pick it up, and then we'll get your address and we'll mail it back to you, or save it here and you can come pick it up later. Again, my name is Rob. Come outside whenever you're ready.
Okay, so we are stepping out. Let's look at the views. Everybody has the same idea, obviously. All right, we have Rob here, who's going to the train attendant for the Verde Canyon Express.
Howdy. Yeah.
He's going to explain to us why we should be going on the trip.
So it's beautiful any time of the year. Right now we're in the winter time. We just missed the great fall foliage that you'll see, the colors that you'll see. It's about 20-mile trip up and 20 miles back. We have bartenders. We have luxury seating, first-class seating for everyone. We have an outdoor attendant, an indoor attendant. We see all kinds of wildlife like bald eagles and golden eagles, red-tailed hawks, javelinas, otters, beaver in the river, deer. We see all kinds of things out here. So coming out for a great time. It's a lot of fun. And we didn't know where that came from because it wasn't here before 2006.
Oh, that little white thing up there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that patch. They said it was from a lightning strike. Because it wasn't there, and then like the next day it was, and we didn't know what had happened. He said lightning will calcify the surface of the rock, apparently. He's a geologist. I didn't believe him, but that's what he said. So
as you can see with the elevation, we are slowly going down, and the canyon is further up, and it's dipping. Love it. What a train ride. Yeah, if you're into nature, I would highly recommend this trip. We got your one tunnel.
No, that was not.
Okay. And the very interesting thing is, they have these bean bags here. So if anybody ever drops their camera or anything valuable or something down, they shout out right away and they throw the bean bag. It does not have a GPS or anything, but their crew knows the entire area and they'll tell them that this is where they dropped it off and or they dropped it, and they'll usually find it for you and send it back to you at your home address. So so we are in the middle of the canyon right now, and we're about to get into a big tunnel too. So
Here we go. Keep your hands in.
all right, we're entering the tunnel. A lot of soot and smoke.
If you look up immediate to the left, you'll see two howling coyote rocks.
Oh,
They look
the
like
guy-
howling coyotes. If you miss it on the way up, we'll point it out on the way back. Looks like two howling coyotes up here.
they sure do.
Again, anything you didn't see on the way up, I'll point it out on the way back.